Cold and hungry Max, a scrappy stray dog, wandered the empty streets when a faint cry caught his ears. Following the sound, he found a man trapped in a ditch, weak and unable to climb out. Max barked frantically, running toward the nearest road where a police car patrolled. He dashed in front of the vehicle, barking and circling, leading the officers to the stranded man. The rescue was swift and Max became the town's hero. No longer a stray, he found a loving home with the man he had saved, proving that even the lost can become lifesavers.